Hello everyone. How are you all? As we all know, exams are by the corner. So of course, now we are going to prepare for the banking and financial awareness portion and for what particular examination. So yes, dear, we are going to prepare for the upcoming exam of Union Bank Local Bank Officer 2024. See, our official channel Knowledgist is providing you all a new crash course. In this crash course, you would be getting 400 plus classes. Live classes would be there, recorded sessions would be there, mock tests would be there, and along with it, all the subjects would be covered on a deep basis. We will be providing you 5,000 plus banking MCQs. And friends, if you are keen to prepare for this particular examination, then you can go through the description box. The links are being provided there. You can go through the link and of course do check out that also. And otherwise, if you are having any other sort of query, you can directly contact us using our WhatsApp number, which is also being provided. Clear? So yes, this is Pragya Saxena and we are going to cover the banking and financial awareness portion in the form of multiple choice questions. So let us start with very first question of the day, which is asking, which finance institution has recently secured a corporate agent license from IRDAI, that is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI. The question is simply asking us the name of that financial institution or that finance institution. What has it done? It has secured, it has mentioned, it has underwent a corporate agent license from which organization? From IRDAI. So yes, is it Star Housing Finance Limited, Aditya Birla Finance Limited? Option 3, that is Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services Limited. Option 4, L&T Finance Limited, or option 5, that is Muthoot Microfinance Limited. So which one is the correct option this time? Question is simply asking us the name of any financial institution. Okay. And we are being provided with 5 options. So take your time, have 5 seconds, go through the question, the options. What should be the perfect one? What should be the correct answer this time? Is anyone having any kind of idea? What should it be? Hi, Sandeep. So, is it option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Anyone? Okay. So yes, this time the correct answer is 5. That is Muthoot Microfinance Limited, which means this MML or Muthoot Microfinance Limited, it has secured a corporate agent license from Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. See, now onwards, after getting this particular license, what is the new thing which Muthoot Finance or this Muthoot Microfinance Limited can be doing? This can now provide insurance products to its customers while increasing its income and earnings. So this is the new thing or an additional functioning of Muthoot Microfinance Limited after getting this corporate agent license from IRDAI successfully. See, apart from it, what does this license enforce within? So this license reinforces MML's commitment to financial inclusion by providing insurance coverage. In this, it will also address the risks which are faced by like most vulnerable parts of society as well. And after that, it would also enhance this particular corporate license will also enhance MML's ability to collaborate with insurance partners. What will it do? It will enable the customization of products. And of course, this new customization process of products will meet their specific needs because whenever there is this sort of customization process, so the basic needs are already being fulfilled, right? Whenever anything, any product is being customized, so it has to be done so as to fulfill the specific needs of its bottom of the pyramid customers in rural and in semi-urban areas, like in semi-urban India as well. Clear? Now, coming up with next question. What is it asking? Which organization or bank has recently reported that India's CAD, current account deficit, was 0.7% of the GDP in the financial year 2023-24. Here it is being provided as USD 23.2 billion. We are talking about financial year 24. The question is simply asking the name of any organization or bank. What has it done? It has recently reported that India's CAD was 0.7% of GDP in FY24. So is it Reserve Bank of India? Is it National Statistical Office, World Bank, National Payments Corporation of India, or option 5, that is ICRA Limited? So which one is the correct option this time? Sandeep is saying it is Reserve Bank of India. Okay. Take your time, have 5 seconds. Are others having any idea? What should it be? Okay, so yes, great. You are correct. It is option 1. That is Reserve Bank of India. See, Reserve Bank of India, basically, it has stated that India's CAD has reduced to 0.7% of the gross domestic product, which is USD 23.2 billion in financial year 24. And this is 2%, like it has dropped from 2% of GDP in FY23, which basically means if you talk about the financial year 23, then the current account deficit, they are talking particularly about India, it was 2% of the GDP, but yes, in this FY24, CAD has come up to 0.7% of gross domestic product. And apart from it, India's current account recorded a surplus of USD 5.7 billion. Like you can also call it 0.6% of the GDP during the January March 2024, which is like quarter of FY financial year 24. And of course, this whole, the basic reason or this whole thing has been done or has happened into account because of the lower merchandise trade deficit. Clear? Now, if we talk about the quarter 3 of financial year 24, then we would come to know that the CAD was USD 8.7 billion, which is 1% of GDP. Apart from it, the foreign portfolio investments, which is FPI, has also recorded a net inflow of USD 44.1 billion in FY24 after an outflow of USD 5.2 billion in FY23. But apart from it, if they are particularly talking about the net foreign direct investment inflow, then how much it has been reduced to? It has reduced to USD 9.8 billion in FY24, which is down from USD 28 billion in FY23. Clear? Now, coming up with next question, which is asking, name the new digital investment platform that was recently launched by HDFC Bank to simplify investment processes. Question is simply asking the name of a new digital investment platform. What has it done? It has been launched by HDFC Bank, and the aim or like the objective is to simplify investment processes. So is it digital intelligence platform, the Smart Wealth, 1X, ABHFL, Finverse, or option 5, that is Ideation X? So for this straight question, this is an important one. What should be the correct option? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Have your time, have 5 seconds, think about it. What should it be? I would not be interfering in between. Take your time. Okay, Sandeep is saying it should be Smart Wealth. So this time, yes, second option is the correct one. That is Smart Wealth, which means HDFC Bank Limited, which is India's leading private sector bank. What has it done? It has launched HDFC Bank Smart Wealth. See, this HDFC Bank Smart Wealth, it is a new digital investment platform. And what is the basic purpose of its designing? It is being designed to make India wealth services accessible to every Indian. And apart from it, this platform also aims to simplify and bring transparency to the investment process. Simple. See this Smart Wealth app or this Smart Wealth application, it enables users to create smart jars, which gives personalized portfolio plans that can be modified or paused at any course of time. Clear? So yes, from every information here, we came to know 4 things. Firstly, the name of that bank that has launched HDFC Bank Smart Wealth, that is HDFC Bank Limited. Okay. Apart from it, what is this Smart Wealth? It is new digital investment platform. What has it done? It is designed to make wealth services accessible to every Indian, and it will also be simplifying the platform and to aim it as to have more transparency to the investment process. And if we talk about how this smart wealth application basically works, then it do enable users to create their smart charts, and these smart charts are completely personalized portfolio plans. And of course, two things you can done with them: you can modify them at any time or can pause them at any course of actions. Clear? So yes, it also provides an enhanced experience with a virtual relationship manager for real-time assistance and personalized support. Clear? Next question is asking, in June 2024, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, sorry, in June 2024, SEBI has constituted a working group which is headed by G. Padmanabhan to review dash. So is it to review small and medium REITs, mutual fund regulations, clearing corps or like clearing corporations, complaint redressal system, or option 5, derivative trading norms? So which is the correct option? Question is simply asking, if we go through the June month of 2024, then we would come to know that SEBI constituted a working group which is headed by G. Padmanabhan. And reason is to review which sector or like which part of our financial system. Is it option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? What should it be, dear? Anyone? Which is the correct option? You have 5 seconds. I would not be interfering. Okay, Sandeep is saying it's 5. So yes, this time the correct answer, you are correct. It is option 5. That is derivative trading norms. So SEBI, what has it done? It has constituted a working group to review the derivative trading norms. And this 15-member working group will be headed by G. Padmanabhan, who is former executive director of Reserve Bank of India. And this decision was taken in continuation of series of steps taken by SEBI to tighten two things. First is the retail futures and options, which means F&O trading, and further to go with further transparency. And after it, friends, SEBI has outlined the terms of preference for these working group, like they would be suggesting short-term and medium-term measures with aim is to like enhance the investors' protection and exchange traded derivatives, and also it will improve risk metrics and risk architecture of these ETDs. What will it do? It will further enhance market development and undergo proper accommodated optimum regulation. Clear? Next question is asking, which bank has recently signed a memorandum of understanding with the Indian Army to offer a defense salary package with a host of facilities, including free insurance cover? Question is simply asking, tell us the name of that bank. What has it done? It has signed a memorandum of understanding with whom? With Indian Army, and it has been done to offer a defense salary package with a host of facilities, including free insurance cover. So is it Punjab and Sindh Bank, Federal Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of India, or option 5? That is HDFC Bank. So what should be the correct option this time? Anyone? Anyone, dear? Have 5 seconds. What should it be? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Sandeep, what should it be, dear? Yeah, good. So this time the correct answer is 1. That is Punjab and Sindh Bank. See, Punjab and Sindh Bank, which is an Indian public sector bank, what has it done? It has signed a memorandum of understanding with Indian Army, and it is being done to offer a defense salary package with a host of facilities, including free insurance cover. Apart from it, Punjab and Sindh Bank also introduced banking solutions, special accounts, services for various segments, demonstrating its commitment to the societal impact and sustainability. And friends, if we talk about particularly these like this particular MOU, that is Memorandum of Understanding, then it provides the serving personnel, veterans, and the trainees with personal accident insurance, like in case of death or disability, cover up to rupees 1 crore and an air accidental cover up of rupees 1.2 crore. Apart from it, PSB Gaurav Bachat SB salary account is designed to provide for the distinct banking requirement of the serving and retired personals. And PSB has also introduced PSB Pink debit card powered by RuPay for women during its 117th Foundation Day, which was celebrated on June 24, 2024. So from here, we are being provided with 3 paragraphs, right? And from these 3 paragraphs, what are the basic things which we came to know? First, they talked about this particular memorandum of understanding. What does it provide? So this memorandum of understanding provides the serving personal veterans and the trainees with personal accident insurance, like in case of death or disability, the cover is up to rupees 1 crore and an air accidental cover of rupees 1.2 crore. Apart from it, second thing has been introduced by PSB, that is this Gaurav Bachat SB salary account. It is designed to provide for the distinct banking requirement of serving and retired personals. And third thing that PSB has done, it has introduced PSB Pink debit card powered by RuPay, being provided for this women's group during its 117th Foundation Day. And when is this Foundation Day of PSB is being celebrated? So it is being celebrated on June 24, 2024. Clear? Next question is asking, which company has recently launched a unified payments interface, that is UPI app, which is sorry, Super Money, to offer financial services? Is it Cordleo, TechMini, Flipkart, Talk Charge, or option 5, that is ChargeBee? So question is asking the name of that company. What has it done? It has launched a unified payments interface app, and the name of this UPI app is Super.Money. It is to offer financial services. So have 5 seconds, think about it. Which one is the correct option this time? Anyone is having any idea? What should it be, dear? Okay, so this time the correct answer would be option 3, that is Flipkart, which means this e-commerce platform, that is Flipkart, it has launched a UPI app which is called Super.Money, and it is to offer payments, credit, deposits, and other digital financial services. See, if you talk about it, then as part of this beta version, the app will be available for the first 1 lakh users, and its logo features a QR code and 5% cashback on various transactions, including food and travel. And apart from India, this app is now available in partnership with Axis Bank Limited, and it also offers credit through USBL, that is Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited. It also offers coupons, scratch cards, or coins for making UPI payments. So that's important to know. Clear? Next question is asking, according to the Reserve Bank of India's recent data, India's external debt as of March end 2024 was USD 432 billion, USD 663.8 billion, USD 345 billion, USD 510 billion, or USD 280.5 billion. How much should it be, dear? Are you having any idea? Is it option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Have 5 seconds. Anyone? No one is having any idea. How can it be possible? Yeah, good. So this time the correct answer is option 2, that is USD 663.8 billion, which means if we talk about RBI's official data, which is released on 25th June 2024, then India's external debt at end March 2024 was at USD 663.8 billion. And this saw an increase of USD 39.7 billion over its level at end March 2023. And friends, the external debt to GDP ratio, like this includes both government and non-government debt, It has decreased from 19.0% at the end of March 2023, and now it has come up to 18.7% at the end of March 2024. Yeah. And apart from India, if you go through RBI's data, then you would come to know that government's external debt and non-government sector's external debt was at 4.2% and 14.5% of the India's GDP. Apart from it, it is important to know that RBI had underscored if the valuation effect of US dollar and other major currencies such as yen, euro, special drawing rights, which amounted to USD 8.7 billion, were excluded then, and external debt would have increased by USD 48.4 billion at the end March 2024, which is over the March ending of 2023. Yeah. Next question is talking about which shipbuilding company has recently signed an agreement with Germany-based Karsten Rehder Schiffsmacher und Reederei GmbH and Corporation KG so as to build and deliver 4 multi-purpose vessels at a cost of USD 54 million. So question is simply asking, tell us the name of that shipbuilding company. What has it done? It has signed an agreement with this tough name so as to build and deliver 4 multi-purpose vessels at a cost of USD 54 billion. So is it Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, Cochin Shipyard Limited, Goa Shipyard Limited, option 4 that is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, or option 5 L&T Shipbuilders Limited? What should it be? Is anyone having any idea? Which option is the correct one this time? Anyone? Take your time. Have 5 seconds. Which is the correct option? Should it be option 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Yeah, good. So this time the correct answer is 4. That is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. See, this defense public sector undertakings, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, what has it done? It has signed an agreement with Germany-based, what is the name? It is of name Carsten Rehder Schiffsmakler und Reederei GmbH and Cooperative KG so as to build and deliver 4 multi-purpose vessels, each with a dead weight tonnage of 7,500 at a cost of approximately USD 54 million. And if you talk further about this contract, then this contract will be executed in 33 months with an option of building another 4 ships. The vessels will be 120 meters long and 17 meters wide with a maximum draft of 6.75 meters, and each vessel with a single cargo hold to accommodate bulk, general and project cargoes further. Clear? Which means it is being available for all these types. Next question is asking, which organization has recently partnered with State Bank of India for a Grow with the Trees plantation drive at its headquarters in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir? So, in that case, they are being provided that this organization is being headquartered in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. What has it done? It has partnered with SBI for Grow with the Trees. Now, if you are having the idea of its headquarters, so you would be coming to know that is it like Central Reserve Police Forces in Jammu and Kashmir, Army Medical Corps in Jammu and Kashmir, Central Industrial Security Forces in Jammu and Kashmir, Border Roads Organization is in Jammu and Kashmir, Border Security Force is in Jammu Kashmir. So, which one is the correct option, dear? Anyone? Okay. So, Sudeep is saying BSF is the correct answer. Yes, this time the correct answer is 5. That is Border Security Force. So, on July 6, 2024, BSF and State Bank of India have partnered for a Green with the Trees plantation drive at the BSF headquarters in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. And friends, this aims to increase campus greenery and mitigate global warming's effects. And the drive was attended by Commanding officer, whose name is Rajiv Bardwaj, SBI branch manager Nishant Sinhi, along with officials from BSF, SBI, and with the school children from Kendriya Vidyalaya. Okay, so now next question is asking, which organization has recently signed a memorandum of understanding with Rail Vikas Nigam Limited? Reason is to collaborate as project service providers for the designing, construction, and consultancy projects in India and abroad. So, is it Rail Tel Corporation of India Limited, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited, BEML Limited, NTPC Green Energy Limited, Titagarh Rail Systems Limited? So, what should it be? Anyone? Is anyone having any idea? What should it be, dear? Giving you 5 seconds. Think about it. Yes, very good. So this time the correct option is Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited. See, this DMRC, that is Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Limited and Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, they have signed a memorandum of understanding. Reason is to collaborate as project service providers for the designing, construction, and consultancy projects in India and abroad. Yeah. Apart from it, now as we all know, they will be working as project service provider. So DMRC and RBNL will cover project types like metro systems would be covered, railways would be covered, high-speed rail would be covered, highways would be covered, mega bridges, tunnels, institutional buildings, workshops, depots, signal and telecommunication works, and railway electrification. So all these sectors, all these things would be covered under this collaboration. And RBNL, what is it? It is the Navratna Central Public Sector Enterprise, which comes or like works under the Ministry of Railways. Clear? So now, thank you everyone. That's all for today's session. We have completed for today, and we will be meeting for further questions tomorrow. Until then, if you are keen to prepare for this upcoming exam of Union Bank of India Local Bank Officer 2024, then you can check out the description box. The link is being provided there. Go through the link. And once you are going through the link, of course, you are going to come up with flying colors. Till then, take care of your mental and physical health. Signing off, Pragya this side. Thank you, everyone.